What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Rob Squad. Guys, today we are back, or I say we, Daddy's back with a banger. You guys know that I failed at the Packy One Chip Challenge, failed miserably. So I am back today to revenge myself. Guys, today we got the blazing Buffalo Carolina Reaper Challenge. Back with it. But these actually smell pretty good. But before we get in the video, make sure you smash that thumbs up, subscribe, hit them post noties, so you can stay up to date on all of our latest videos, as we are almost so close to 1,000. So like, share, tell your people, get us there. Let's get into this video. So in this challenge, normally you would have to go into Buffalo Wild Wings and do it with a waiter or waitress there watching you, but due to COVID, and here in Oklahoma City, there's not allowing any dine-in service, so had to get the wings and bring them home. We're gonna do the challenge here at home, and I feel pretty confident. So the challenge requires you to eat 12 blazing California Reaper wings in 6 minutes. And I actually feel pretty confident about this. So let's get into it. Make sure, drop down in the comments. Let me know, how do y'all think I'm gonna do? I know I failed the Packy Chip Challenge, but I feel confident because I don't play when it comes to my wings. So leave them comments. Let me know how you think I'm gonna do. Give me a thumbs up. Let's go.
All right, guys. So he also can't have anything to drink.
No.
He cannot have any of the vegetables. No celery. No ranch. Nothing like that. I've got the timer.
Roll my sleeves
Let
up.
me make sure you guys can see. All right, are you ready?
All right, hold on. I gotta have a spot to put my empties. All right, I'm ready. Let's get it. Start that timer.
All right, ready and
Let's go, Rob Squad.
Go.
All right, let's get it. You know I go to flat. Oh, boy, about my wings. I'm probably gonna tear my stomach up though. I'm sorry if I'm smacking. There's one.
30 seconds down.
Woo, starting to get a little heat. Cool. They should have gave me more flats.
A minute in.
A minute?
Minute in, 2 down.
That's not bad. Starting to feel a kick.
3 in, he's starting to feel the kick.
Mm-hmm. It's hard though. Starting to feel that kick.
Y'all, I'm waiting to see when that sweat starts to happen. My head about to start shining.
It's coming.
3 down. 3 down. A minute and 45 seconds in. A little over.
9 more to go.
Yeah, let's go be done.
Woo. Rob Squad.
How you doing?
Hmm?
How you doing?
My nose starting to run. Woo!
Why are you breathing so heavy?
It's getting hot.
You got a little under 3.5 minutes left.
Whew.
Let's go. You need to start moving. You need to start moving. You got to do it, big dog. That sweat's starting, y'all. That sweat's starting.
Oh yeah.
That sweat is starting. Look at that. Alright. It's only going to get worse from here. You got it. You got 2 minutes and 50 seconds left.
Can you pause it for a second?
Nope, you can't be here. You can't put the timer's running the whole time. You gotta keep going. Come on, you got 2.5 minutes left.
I'm gonna make it.
You're gonna make it. You can do this.
Oh shoot. Whew.
2 minutes. Come on, you're slowing down, big dog.
Yep.
Oh, alright, I see beads of sweat now.
If I got a ranch, it'd be a lot easier.
Oh, you can do it. Come on. You got 1.5 minutes to get as many of those as you possibly can. 1.5 minutes. Let's go. You ain't got time to breathe. You better go ham now. You better just go. Yes, there it is. There it is. There you go. You can do it. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
I'm trying.
Let's go. Let's go. Come on, you can get at least 2 more. Come on, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Ooh,
Put in work.
Busy.
But you're getting dizzy.
Rob Squad.
Put in work.
Sorry, smash that thumbs up. I'm trying.
You gotta go. You better go ham. You got 30 seconds to just go. Are you shaking?
My tongue, my lips don't hurt my tongue.
10 seconds, come on. Smash that. You be so concerned. Timer. Stop. Stop.
Hey, go get me water.
You failed.
I'm getting lightheaded.
You're getting lightheaded?
Please, give me some water. Oh, Rob Squad, I tried for y'all.
You didn't make it, babe. You got 1,
Yeah, I
2,
tried.
3,
Here.
4, 5.
I tried.
Didn't make it, big dog.
We're gonna have to come back to this.
You think you can beat it? You are pretty far off. You think you can get there?
I think it's gonna take some practice.
Obviously.
Oh,
How hot are they?
they're pretty dang hot.
Here, let me have a bite.
You gonna try one?
Just one. I don't want to eat the whole thing.
Ooh, Rob Squad, I'm sweating. Here, try one.
Alright guys, ignore my nappy head. Alright, you left drums.
If they'd been more flats, I would have ran through there. Ooh.
Oh.
We got some hot to them, huh?
Oh.
Ooh,
Oh, I can't swallow that. Oh.
See, Rob Squad, they're hot.
Those are hot. I can't believe you ate that many.
Rob Squad, I can't even flip the camera out. I appreciate y'all stopping by. Make sure y'all smash that thumbs up. Make sure y'all like. Make sure y'all subscribe. I ran through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's not bad.
Not bad, but you did not complete the challenge, guys. We're not doing spicy challenges, obviously.
No. We don't do a lot of hot foods, but look, let's check it out. Do these count? That one I don't know.
You made it about halfway. I'd say honestly, you made it about halfway. Because that one has some left on it.
That's a lot better than what I thought I was gonna do, honestly.
Not bad. Not bad. Rock Squad, give it to my man. He did pretty good.
I am sweating.
I am actually shocked because that is hot. It's hot.
I'm telling you, if they did more of the flats, I probably would have got 9.
Yeah. Agreed.
So make sure y'all drop down in them comments. Let me know, how do y'all think I did? Or how do y'all think y'all could do compared to what I did?
And guys, how about you give us some more like spicy food challenges? Yeah. We're gonna try Rob Squad. We're gonna beat one. Rob Squad is going to conquer one spicy food challenge. So leave that in the comments.
We've got to beat some type of hot food challenge. But I did a lot better than what I thought I was gonna do. I did a lot better on this than I did the 1 chip challenge.
Oh yeah. But the 1 chip challenge was ridiculous.
The 1 chip challenge is ridiculous. So we appreciate you guys. Love you guys. This is gonna be it for today's video. Vlogmas Day 16. Guys, we're still running strong. We hope you guys appreciate all of our videos. If you haven't seen them, make sure you go check them out. That's it for today, guys. We love you. And thank you. Peace.